Hi, my name is Joshua and I go to Moreland Middle School in San Jose, California. Today I will show you how I made my first web page. First, you need to create a file and name it whatever you want. Now we have to change this file to an HTML, and to do that we need to use command prompt. And directory will show you what files are in it. What files are dir will show you what files are in that directory. So this is my C file, drive, and tutorial to YouTube. So tab will finish the text for you. And dir right here, we need to rename it to okay. So now it's an HTML file and we're going to open it with the WordPad. Start with the basic flags, so HTML and body. To end the flag, you need to put a slash before the word. Now I am going to copy and paste my doc into between the body. Control C. Control V. Okay, save and go back. Now, as you can see, the font is very small and almost unreadable. You can't click the link. The title is stuck together with the whole text article, and there is no background color. So we'll start with the background color. To do that, we will do background color equals sky. Okay, and to using P, we'll skip a line. We also want to center the title, and to do that, center. And we have to, of course, end it. Okay. Now we're going to change the font size. So above the title, I'll do font size equals plus 3, and I will end it after the title, so /font. Now, above the paragraph, I will do another font size. This time +2 because I want the title to be bigger than the body text. I will also make more spacing between the title and the body. And the font and okay. Now to make the link clickable, we have to do A equals href equals let's link copy the link. Okay, so now save, go back, and refresh. Now, as you can see, we can now click the link. The font is much bigger and readable. So, however, clicking the link does not send us to a new tab. It actually makes us stay on the same tab. So to fix that, we go back to WordPad and right here, enter target equals I am also going to add my Chinese name at the bottom here. And and I'm going to add some space. Break will go to the next line. Okay, and save. Go up, and now we have to actually enter a special code. My language is Chinese, so for my characters to be seen, I have to put in between head and save. Yes. Okay. Go back to Chrome. Refresh. Now if I click the link, it sends me to a new tab. But I still can't see the Chinese characters. And if this happens, try opening the file with Notepad instead of WordPad. Now we delete the question marks and put in the Chinese characters again. Now, if this shows up, press cancel. Encoding is Unicode. Save. Yes. Now we can go back here and we can see my Chinese characters. Now, right now, the website is not public, it's actually private. So I have to use my family server, iPower, to make this public. We now have to upload the file to iPad. Upload. I will also show you the book that helped me a lot on making this my first web page. The book is called HTML Goodies, and here it is. I bought the used version. It was only $5, and it is packed with information. Mine came just as good as new, so I'm very happy with it. Now we can go back here and preview our HTML file. Now it is a public file. if I click the link, this is my YouTube video. I participated in basketball team sports, and I really appreciate you guys for watching this video. I hope you learned something today, and thank you for watching.